Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Case and AirPods at least half charged, phone Bluetooth on, and the case open beside the phone. Once done, tap the pairing prompt or open Bluetooth settings to select AirPods 4. This creates the audio link used for calls. Make sure you see the connection confirmation and that the mic is set to automatic or left AirPod only. This matters for call quality. Now you're ready to place or accept calls with them as the active audio device. Once paired, you configure the controls so calls behave predictably. Go to Bluetooth settings, pick your AirPods 4, and set the microphone to automatic unless you prefer a fixed side. Then assign press or touch gestures for answer and hang up. This prevents fumbling mid-call. Also enable active noise cancellation for noisy places or transparency if you need ambient awareness. These settings improve clarity and reduce mistaps, which is why you take this step before testing a live call. You finish by placing a short test call to confirm voice clarity, volume, and mic pickup. Speak normally and move between quiet and normal noise to verify performance. If audio is muffled, restart them by returning the buds to the case, closing for 10 seconds, then reopening. Repair if that fails. Also make sure your phone grants call and microphone permissions, that the OS is updated, and that silicone tips are clean. This single troubleshooting step fixes most call problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.